Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to make $20 20,000 naira daily, not $20, 1,000 naira daily from dollar arbitrage, and no card is required. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? If you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. And if you are looking a way for to make money online, so then this is the right channel for you. Make sure you subscribe and on the notification bell so you don't want to miss another episode I'm going to upload. So I want to show you how to make like 20,000 naira daily from a dollar arbitrage, and this doesn't add with maybe you can specific card or a limit. So what are the requirements to get started in this? So number one is your Binance account. You have to get a Binance account. Okay, the link is inside the description below if you haven't got your Binance account, and I think I have a video on how to verify a Binance account. You can check through my channel. And also is the capital, which is the minimum of 50k. And so how do we get started with this? So without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate this on my PC because that's how easy it is for me. So you can literally do it to your phone, or I can just use word of mouth to explain for you on how to get to it on your mobile phone. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to exit here. So go to my Binance account. I'm going to log in into my Binance account. Okay, log in into my Binance account directly, then click on buy crypto. So if you are on phone, if you are using maybe an iPhone, then you should go to wallet and click on funding then go to P2P. If you are using Android phone, you have to go to the wallet first, the funding, or maybe the P2P. If you are using Android, maybe I don't know, maybe they have updated it so funding also on Android. So either funding or P2P, just search for a way for P2P. So after you get to P2P, click on P2P. So on my PC, I'm going to go to P2P trading here. We don't have to change anything. Okay, we don't have to change anything. Make sure you watch this and follow this step-by-step tutorials. So the thing is, we are going to buy USDT at lowest price. As you can see here, there are a lot of price here which say $566. So I want to show you something. So when I click this merchant add, so it's still some 566. Okay, so there is a way to get that. So we are going to utilize this buy in P2P. As you can see, this buying around here, we are going to utilize because it's what I've done, and and it works. Let me show you some proof. So I'm going to click on buy. Yeah, this is as you can see. Here. So last week, maybe like 2 or 3 days ago, I think I have a problem with the banks. So the money is not, maybe the Kuda app is not working. So most of the bank apps are not working. So almost cost me to almost block my account for not paying those people. So without further ado, if you are on phone, follow the step that I told you in the previous explanation, that your wallet, P2P, then the next is P2P trading, and click on back. So you are going to click on more. Okay, if you're on PC, click on more and click on become a merchant. So after you become click on become a merchant, and on phone, let me see, shoot mode. So you are going to click on something beside the naira launch. where you see NGN, there is a 3 dots in that menu. If you are using some Android phone or smartphone, click on it and click on advertisement mode. Okay, if you're on PC, you can just click here and click on become a merchant. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on post a new ad. And on your phone too, you can click on switch to advertisement mode on your phone. Switch to advertisement mode on your phone. Okay, so let me switch to advertisement mode on my phone. So if it asks you to switch to advertisement mode, click on continue. So the next thing, this is how it will display on your PC. If you are using PC, if you are using on the phone, it will show you to pay other ads and profile. So the next thing you want to do on your mobile, which is on smartphone, is click on ads. Click on ads. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is to click on the plus sign. The plus sign at the top, the plus sign at the top menu of the phone. Click on plus, so it will display post and ads on phone, which is post number ads on PC. Okay, so the next thing you want to do here is these people are selling for like 60 37. So I want to click on it and change my own to 540, and that will be my own fixed 540. Okay, so that at all I sell at this price, that I buy at this 540 and sell like for 670. That is like on each dollar I'm going to gain 27 naira. So I think we need to do some maths here. So let's go to doc. Also new documents. So calculator. So let's talk that we want to buy $100. So some of us would think that this is not possible, because we have to utilize there are new people that are joining this P2P trading and they want to make money easily. Okay, they want to sell their coin easily. So that is what we're going. So let's say we want to buy like 100 USDT as the rate of 540. So times 540, that is got to 54,000 naira, right? Okay, so let us talk, we are selling this for like 100 USDT at the rate. So let me say buy. Okay, buy. So buy A. Okay, and we sell USDT at maybe like 67 or 567, or let's say 670. Let me see. So which is equal to 57,000. I'm gain like 3,000 naira on this. It doesn't mean that you are going to sell this $100 at once. There is a way to do it. Okay, and also you will have to charge 50 to 100 naira, 50 to 100 naira to 100 naira per each transaction you made on this platform. I think that is how it works, because whenever I want to sell, so some people will say the bank charges, stuff like that, so they charge like 50 to 100 naira for this. So first thing you want to do after, let us set the ad before we proceed. So I'm going to click on the next. So I think they want me to trade more because I've cancelled more order because I'm unable to pay due to the bank issue maybe 3 days ago. I want to click on next. Okay, so yeah, you see I can't post now, so I have to trade. So after you click on next, your ad will be placed. So let me show you. This is my ads. As you can see here, these are my ads that I said before and which are been published. Okay, so these are my ads. So I'm going to show you some orders that I purchased. So I purchased this 1,000 naira and pay him like 990, like 190 naira. which means from this I gain like let me say total of 100 naira. And also I spend like maybe like 10,280 naira. 10,280 naira, purchasing like 280 naira, 10,280 naira, and I think I gain, let me see, I gain like 2,000, I be 12,890 minus total amount I spend like 10,280 or that stuff. So maybe it's like again maybe like 2,000 to 3,000 naira. Let me say 2,000 naira spending just 10,000 naira. So imagine if I was to send times 10 of this, maybe I send like 100k. That means if I have 100k capital, I might make 20,000 naira in just a day. So that time I think there's a program wrong with the bank, so everything was just, the other would just came. As you can see here, that was on 20, yeah, it was 3 days ago on 20, as you can see here. So I have to cancel some orders which really pains me a lot, because I have to, if I didn't cancel the order, I would have came up. As you can see here, there are orders that are coming in, many orders that are doing well, that are coming in. So if you can do this also, I'm sure that you will gain. So let me say, after you have sent the money to that person, which is after you send the money to that person, you'll be tell him to release the coin. Like, don't tell him that release the coin. There is a way that you can follow, which is right and send the money. The next thing you are going to do is to transfer it next. So after you have transferred, so I think I'll show my a video on my YouTube channel, on my channel, on how to buy some coins. So I put the video of the link inside the description below, so you can watch it if this is your first time trading on Binance. Okay, so after you have done it, you have to go to sell. After you are purchasing, maybe like you purchase like let me see, after you purchase like over 100 coin, maybe like you gain like maybe 50,000 something else. So just input the amount here. So maybe on your phone, after you set it finish, the next thing you want to do is to click on your profile, something that say profile, and switch to order mode. That's it, and click on sell. So on the place that look like funnel on your mobile, you see something that look like a funnel. Click on it. It will display some search. So input the amount. Let me say the range of what I want to sell is 50,000. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on search. Make sure you untick merchant ads only. Okay, make sure you unclick it. Okay, that's it. So the next thing we want to do is to click on sell USDT and sell your USDT, and your money will be transferred into your account directly. If this is your first time on my channel, you might not be able to get a chance to maybe see this channel again if you haven't subscribed. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, on notification bell, and you don't want to miss another episode. If you want to do, don't just say let me finish this before I subscribe. Just subscribe now. It doesn't take you less than 2 seconds to subscribe and on the notification bell. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment below. So if you have an issue with the previous arbitrage video, please let me know in the group. You can join my Telegram group. The link is also in the description below. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.